Hello friends, welcome to ILTechs. In this video, I am going to show you the best way to use your Android phone as an emulator for any React Native CLI project. So, stay tuned. At first, go to the Settings on your phone and tap About Phone. Now, tap 7 times on the OS version. Some devices may show this as Build version. This will enable the developer options on your phone. Now back to the Settings and tap the Additional Settings at the bottom. It will open the developer options. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Still, it shows the USB debugging. Just enable it. Now, connect your phone to your PC or laptop via USB and choose File Transfer/Android Auto, taping the charging options at your phone's notification area. After that, open your desktop and open Terminal or Command Prompt for Windows and execute command ADB devices. This will ask for permission on your phone. Grant it and recheck with the same command whether the device have gone authorized or not. Before this step, be sure that you have already installed Node.js and NPM on the desktop. Now, I will install strcpy from Snap Store because I am using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS to mirror my phone screen to my desktop. Don't worry, you can skip this step, and this tool is also compatible for Windows systems. Now, I will mirror my phone screen to the desktop by executing the command strcpy on the terminal. You may skip this step also, like the last one. After that, create a new React Native CLI project by executing the command npx at reactnative-community/CLI init name of _ the app on the terminal. You can use any name for your app. In this example, the name is My App. Now open the newly created app directory from the terminal using the command cd my app. I am using VS Code to edit the project in this example. You may use any of your favorite editors. Finally, we need to run our very first app created using React Native CLI on our mobile phones. To do this, we will use the inbuilt terminal on VS Code. Execute the commands npm start and npx React Native run Android on two separate terminals, and remain open until you close the emulator. Make sure you have grant the permission on your mobile phones when asked during the final process by tapping Install. Congratulations! We have successfully run a sample React Native CLI app directly on our mobile phones. Thank you for watching this video. More, subscribe or follow us. Don't forget to like this video and comment your queries.